Okay, here's the system that's in the master closet, and it's to do with the cameras and the alarm system. It's kind of overwhelming here, all this stuff. But what we have a question about is this thing right up here, this box right there, with the 3 cords going into it, which I believe must go to the system here, the Leviton Integrated Networks home system. I'm guessing that's the cameras. Could be wrong. Anyway, though, that box up there, with all those connected places, is making a lot of noise. The fan is, and I don't know if the fan is going out or if it always sounds like that. We're trying to find that